How to enable VR mode on YouTube. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide video will show you how you can enable and use the virtual reality feature on YouTube. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. So now to use the feature, simply go ahead and open up the YouTube app from a device. It can be Android or iPhone, and then simply go ahead and search for a VR video, or you can search for virtual reality video. So I'm going to search for VR video, and you'll get to see all the virtual reality videos. So you can play any of these from here. And once you play the VR video, you can actually use this feature right from here. But if it's not working, you just need to tap on this card icon right over here, and you can enable the VR feature on the YouTube. And also you can go to this feature by tapping on the settings at the top right, and then go and tap on additional settings. And here you'll get to see the watch in VR. If you tap on this one, tap on continue, and your VR mode will be enabled. Hope you find this video helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.